Hello beautiful people. For today's recipe, we will be making lemon ricotta cookies, which are absolutely delicious. To start off, we're going to combine 2.5 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Now we are going to separately mix together 1 stick of unsalted and softened butter, 1.5 cups of sugar, 2 eggs mixed in one at a time, a 15-ounce container of ricotta cheese, the juice and zest of 1 lemon. Then mix the wet and dry ingredients together. And for the last, but definitely not least ingredient, LYNQ Empowdered. 2 tablespoons for an extra kick of fruits and veggies. Then onto parchment paper and into the 375-degree oven they go for about 15 minutes. Et voila! Alright, so I am now going to taste these yummy cookies. Lemon ricotta. Oh my god, it's so good. Guys, thank you so much for watching, and you know the drill. Like, comment, and subscribe on our channel, on YouTube, and on Instagram. We hope that you guys are all doing well during this time. Please let us know if you guys have any recommendations for what to make next. We love you very much. Until next time.